Namaskar and welcome to the Bengal's Kitchen. My name is Ronak and yes, I'm the person behind the show. Many of you are asking for the last few months that why don't I come in front of the camera? Well, keeping all your requests in my mind, here I am, finally. At first, a big thanks to all of you for supporting this channel from your heart and soul. I'm not a professional chef, rather more like you, a simple man with full-time job and little obsessed with food and cooking. Well, I guess you already know what I'm going to prepare today, don't you? I'm going to share the secret of making Thandai or Bhang. In case you don't know, let me tell you, Bhang is the oldest traditional cannabis drink prepared in India. Mostly during festivals and occasions like Holi, Dussehra and any other Visarjans for instant refreshment and energy. Keep watching this video without skipping and by the end of this video you will definitely learn a perfect Bhang recipe to rock your Holi party. Okay, so while preparing bhang, you just need to keep two things in mind. Number one, that you should not use any sort of metal container such as brass, copper or silver. Point number two, you should use the poppy seeds very wisely, because if you use more poppy seeds or in a larger quantity, that might hamper your health, that might go terribly wrong. So these two things you have to keep in mind and make a healthy drink for yourself. Hope you enjoyed our video, and if you're trying this recipe at home, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you want to connect with me, you can definitely do that through our social media profiles. The links are given in the description. And if you like our work, please do support us. Please share our videos with your friends, family, and your well-wishers. And do not forget to subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon for the instant notification. Till then, bye-bye, take care, stay healthy, stay happy. We'll definitely see you in the next video. Oh, one more thing. Have a safe and happy Holi.